Hello, in this video, I will show you how to use PyCharm's debugger so that you don't have to ever debug your application using PDB statements such as this ever again. For that, we will be using breakpoints such as this. Also, we will explore the other features that the PyCharm debugger offers us. To get started, open an existing Django project. I cloned this project from GitHub and I'll post a link together with the video. We will create a configuration to run the run server command. This will enable breakpoints to be added. To start, let's copy the manage.py file path in advance since we will need it to add the configuration. Right-click on manage.py and click copy. Click on absolute path. Now that we have copied the file path of manage.py, click add configuration and click the plus icon to add a new configuration. Click on Python. Under name, type run server, and in the parameters, type run server 2. In the script path, type Ctrl V, which is the pasting of the manage.py file. Make sure your Python interpreter is set to your project's interpreter, and the working directory is set to the project's root path. Click apply, and then OK. Now we can see the run server configuration in here. Now, to test the configuration, add a breakpoint after the post function. And then remove this import.pdb statement that we will never use again. Now click the bug icon to start a debugging session. The debugger will reflect the changes here. Now let's navigate to the Films app. Type films in the URL, and then this will appear. Now, let's create a post request to trigger the breakpoint. In the post content, create a JSON body with the title and year published data. Click on post, and then the execution will stop on the line where the breakpoint is set. The PyCharm debugger tab will be opened, and you can see the debugger controls, which we will explore in a few seconds. We can also view the variables and their values at the time where the execution stops. Under debugger controls, we have step over, step into my code, and step out. So to use step over, it will traverse the code from line 17 to line 18. Let's click on that. Step into my code, and step out is used to enter functions. Let's try step into. It will go in the isValid function, and after it is done, it will end. So to end early, we can step out. And then click step over. You can see that the variables changed here. We can also add a variable to watch, but I won't do that. Also, you can end the execution by resuming program. This will resume the post function, and you can see that the films list has updated. That's all. We solved the initial problem by using breakpoints instead of PDB statements. I hope you learned a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.